My name is Josh Fritsch. I started on the team actually as a student in 2001. So I was on the team from 2001 to 2004. Then went off to college at Kettering University. And then after my college career ended, I came back and started mentoring the team in 2011. And I've been here ever since, since 2011. This program, I think, was critical in my decision to pursue a mechanical engineering degree. I was able to explore what mechanical engineering really was, and then based on that, chose that for my profession for the rest of my life. So mentoring the students is, not only a great opportunity, I think, for me, but also for them. I get to fulfill my promise to give back to the team and to teach those students about the types of things that I learned when I was a student. I would tell someone who's considering joining the program that there's really nothing that can better prepare you for a future career within STEM, whether it's engineering or business or any other aspect of the team that happens. But of all the programs that I've seen high schoolers that can get into, this is by far, I think, one of the best and most beneficial programs for developing those types of skills.